Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. So in today's session of Fortran programs, we will see how to use do while loop. So using this do while loop, we will check the palindrome of a number. So we know that what is this palindrome? That palindrome means when a number, the number which we can read like same in forward and backward manner. Suppose like I can say 232. That means from the forward it is 232 and from the backward also the number is 232. So this number is called palindrome number. So how to use do loop to find this find a number is palindrome or not, this we can see in this code. So here the code is started with palindrome, and the integer variable we have taken as I, num, n, a is equal to 0 and a. So here we have initialized a during the declaration, and next we want to enter the number which is our num. So first we are assigning that num is nothing equal to a, and we are using do while loop. So do while, when num is not equal to 0, then do this n is equal to modulus of a number with 10. So whatever the remainder will be came out of this modular division, that will be added to the to the multiplied with 10. Then after that it will again divide that number with 10, and again it will have some value. Then that value will again taken as the modular value. That modular value will be calculated with 10, then it will again get added. Like this it will go on, and then the loop will end. If that a's value will be equal to a, then it will print that number as a palindrome number, otherwise not. So this way it will go, and this do while loop will continues until this number divided by num is not coming to 0. When it will get a 0 value, that means it is not able to divisible by 10. Then it will come then it will end the loop, and it will come to this if else condition. Then it will print our result. So let's go and start execute the same code. So here I have written the same code in this online compiler. So I am going to run this. So let's run, and let's enter a number. So I am entering any number here. So you see that the number is not a palindrome, because from the backward the number is 5 4 3 2 1, where from the forward it is 1 2 3 4 5. Let's enter some other number. Like if I will enter 1 2 1 2 like this, then so the number is also not a palindrome. Then if I will enter 1 2 1 2 1, so the number is a palindrome. So this way we can use our do while loop. This is a very simple example using this do while loop. So this way we can continue with our do while loop to calculate some very simple mathematics in Fortran. So thank you all, and this much for today's session.